Hi, it's Emily. This is Excel and Access workshop. Let me start with how to convert text file to Excel file. Let me find a text file to work with. Always choose first option, then go to the next. Uncheck this, check this, and put a symbol like this. Always choose this option. Then go to next and finish it. This is a large file. Believe me, you will deal with larger file than this one. So bear with me to wait for this convert. Finish it. Okay, here we go. Although it looks like it's Excel, but it's still in the TXT format, so let's save as a real Excel file. We have to choose here, says Excel workbook, and let's save it. Okay, so now we have a file for us to do our second project, which is how to import Excel file to Access. Okay, let me open a Access database. Okay, go to external data, find the import and link. You go to Excel. Okay, let me find the Excel file to import. So open it. So we will go to the first option, import the source data into a new table in the current database. Let's click OK. We already checked the first row, contains column headings. And just simply go to next. And next, we don't want to Access assign us any primary key, so check this option and go to next and just finish it. Close it. Now let's open this. So you will see we have 35797 rows. Okay, so now let's work on our fourth project, how to append a copy of the records to the table in Access. Okay, so let's go back here, Excel. So now we check append a copy of the records to the table, practice. Okay, let's just use what we imported. Let's to open and go to OK. And just say next and do finish. So now you see that this error message says this doesn't exist in destination table practice. So we have to click OK. Then the error message says we couldn't import it. So let's say OK. Alright, this is very important. We go back to check. This is a file we imported. You will see here on the header and a couple fields we have those dots. It's like a definition, so these dots. Very important, we have to remove it. So when you first import it, this is the Access will take what you have, but when you append, then all those dots has to be removed. You saw that error message, right? So we removed this. Let's close it. Then let's try again. Go back here and check the second one. Find this. Let's go to open. say OK. Then go to next, finish. So now there is no error message. And let's double check the appended successfully. So now we have 71594 rows. So we have successfully append the data to the practice table. Okay, now let's work on our last project, how to link to the data source by creating a linked table in Access. Okay, so let's go here again, see Excel. Let's find the file first. Let's say upload, click open. And now we choose the last option. Here says link to the data source by creating a linked table. Let's click OK. We already checked first row contains column headings, then just simply go to next. So now, because we already have a table named practice, we might have to change the name. Code 1 and go to finish. Okay, so now we successfully linked that file into our Access database. Okay, all right, we finished on how to import data from Excel to Access. Now let's go on how to export data from Access to Excel. Actually, it's pretty straightforward. There is two ways. First way, so let's highlight the data you want to export. So this is practice. I go to external data, find the export section, and check out Excel. So this is where we want the table, the data to export to. And let's say save and click OK. Let's check close and come back to check. So the file is here. All right. So another way you can do is go to the data, then choose from Access. And find that Access database. Let's check, say open. It says OK. OK. So here has a table. And let's go check the new worksheet. And check OK. Alright, so this is the data from that practice table. Alright.